Hi everybody, it's Kelly, also known on Twitter as Kellyann1977, and today is Wednesday, August 21st. It's about 9 o'clock at night, and I layered my own hair by myself, and this is what it looks like. And I don't think it came out too bad. A little bit over here may need to be trimmed up or something, but I don't usually wear my hair potted like this. I usually pot it this way. So I changed my pot to be able to do this and not just be wearing headbands from now on instead of pulling back my hair, because pulling back my hair has been giving me migraines, and I've been getting migraines from my hair being not being cut for a year and a half because of my car accident, which you can see a little bit of the stitches right here, and it goes down there. From it, here, I have a scar over here, and some scars over here from my car accident. My head went through the window, so this is what it looks like. I haven't dyed it yet, but let me know what you think. And I'll probably dye it Saturday or Sunday. If you watch this just for a haircut update, thank you. I watched a YouTube video of how to do it. If you're wondering, your hair should be at least damp. You want to part your hair completely back over here. You pot it again in fours. You use your ear to part these two properly, and you just put 4 ponytails here, and you want to put the other one about here, and you cut one side. You use this to measure this side using your fingers, and you cut across, and then you use this one for this one, and then this one for this one, and hopefully it comes out okay. So, free haircut. Thank you for watching. If you do, just a quick little update of what I did to me here and how I did it. Bye.